Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see Tesla on the all-time history. As I mentioned before in the previous analysis, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished as a wave 1, and we're looking for a deep wave 2. Potentially, yes, 0.38 can be a possibility. But before going crazy with such a deep price here, we are estimating also the ending diagonal as turning here as a leading diagonal, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Therefore, the minimum requirement for Tesla here is looking for the 0.38, $267. And it is very likely that it is unfolding on the lower time frame here, where we are looking for this drop down for Tesla in several 1, 2 so far. So we have kind of like a 1, 2 from the top here, another 1, 2, and another 1, 2. However, things are changing a little bit here as a structure and turning into a kind of like a diagonal here. I would say it can be very likely that can be here a kind of like a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 finish diagonal, and then wave 2, and we drop down with a new diagonal as a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I'm gonna change all of that, since of course it is a little bit much more complicated here. Let's explain it clearly. So we have here kind of like a diagonal, somehow like that. This is your major wave 1 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we are looking at a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. So basically, this is going to be this magenta scenario. And we have a new leading diagonal again, which is looking for lower still as a potential 1, 2 here. Sorry, it should be here. The wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, as well as a gray scenario wave 3 that it might be unfolding over here. So very likely that yes, we might seek still for lower here for Tesla, despite that the move toward the upside here yesterday based on the news. But this is a wave 2 still, and the wave 2 can still unfold something for lower in a wave 3. And then because it is the minimum requirement right now, the $267 that we saw already on the daily, this is at least a wave 1, 2 there that it is unfolding, sorry, here as a wave 1, 2. Here we go. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1. And then A, B, and a C potentially can be unfolding, but obviously this is kind of like an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then having wave B, then wave C. Don't forget the time is required as well. That because the wave 1 here as a timing requires at least this area as a timing. So we're still looking even for a longer time, at least the minimum requirement in this area. So expect even kind of like a deeper correction, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then pushing for higher later on. That was it for Tesla. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.